So Jason and Jaylena are in South Texas visiting the parents, and I'm here taking care of the homestead. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Everybody to the barn, let's go. It is starting to feel like Texas. I believe it's around 90 degrees today. Not too bad, but it's one of the hottest days of the year so far. Everybody seems to be enjoying the weather out here, so let's get them something to eat for dinner. Old Bam Bam's up to the same old business, always trying to wrestle with somebody. Now he's after Grandma. They're out here just eating their dinner. Got a little Stainer over here. Stainer! Got Bam Bam and Grandma. Time to feed these little guys. I'm sure they're hungry. I'm gonna fill up their little food trough here. I think we have probably about 26 quail in here. I know we had a couple that passed away, but they seem to be enjoying the new home that Jason built for them. Got plenty of water and food, and then a little shelter back there to hang out during the storm or just get out of the weather. But let's go check on the rabbit. Such beautiful weather out today. A little hot, but everything's green and the skies are blue, so you can't complain. So let's see how the rabbit's doing. Looks like she's doing very well. Has plenty of her food still in here. Just scratching those big ears of hers. So I just got done feeding the rabbit, and I wanted to spend a little bit of time with Hurley. Hurley was our lab pit bull mix who unfortunately passed away this year. She had just turned 14. She was the greatest dog ever. Such a loving dog. I adopted her from an animal shelter here in the Dallas area when she was 6 weeks old. Like I said, she just turned 14. We buried her next to the barn. We wanted her to be able to look over the animals while she's in heaven, but just wanted to spend a little bit of time with her and just let her know that we're still thinking about her. Love you, Hurley. I figured I'd show another shot of Stainer. Everybody can't seem to get enough of this little guy. Such an awesome dude. Got a big old belly here full of grass. He is one healthy goat. What's up, puppies? Y'all ready to go check out the garden? Let's go, come on guys. So now that we're done feeding all the animals, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to the garden to give you guys a quick update on where everything's at as far as growing and see if anything's producing yet. These pepper plants are looking awesome. You can see up here on this one, they are starting to produce. They're starting to flower off, and you can see some of the peppers starting to grow. How crazy is that? We've got all of our lettuce and stuff growing in. Everything is starting to come together. We've got this nice sun, warm weather. My grapevines are starting to grow in. They kind of died off in the cold weather that we had recently, but now that it's warmed up, you can see that it's leafing out really nice. We have so many tomato plants. We have I think it's about 4 different types of tomatoes, but we have a bunch of tomato plants and pepper plants and onions, and I am looking forward to making a video on Jared's homemade salsa. It's time to go check out the Texas pond in the front yard. Spring is officially here, and we have flowers all outside of our homestead. Once again, just enjoying all this perfect weather out here. It is so awesome today. In the high 80s, low 90s, and sunny. So here are the sunflowers. I was growing those from seed. These are about a week and a half old, and you can see how tall they are. It's pretty crazy how fast they grow. And then down here, This over here is watermelon. They've been grown for about a week and a half as well. And then down here on the side, the smaller ones, that's cantaloupe. I'm gonna let them get up just a little bit bigger, and then I'm gonna transplant them out in the yard, and hopefully we'll have a bunch of watermelon and cantaloupe sometime in the summertime. And then over here I have a lime and a lemon tree. I picked them up from Walmart. They were $16 a piece. I tried growing a lime tree last year, but it just didn't do very well. So I went and picked up these. They are starting to produce already a little bit here. This is the lemon tree. But I'm hoping maybe by the end of the year or next summer, we'll have it to where we can just go outside and pick us some lemons and limes. How cool is that? Now that we're back inside, I'm gonna go ahead and check in on the new chicks that we had that we just hatched. So let's go check them out. So the baby chicks are doing awesome. There's 12 of them in here that hatched from our incubator. There's one in here that has a stripe on its back and dots on its head. It's a really weird looking one, so I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. It's this one right here that I'm zooming in on. But we're hoping that they all stay healthy and hopefully they'll be producing for us in the future. All right, guys, it's been an extremely long day. I've been up and at 'em since 5 this morning. Got home, fed all the animals, showed you guys the garden, showed you guys the baby chickens. Now it's time for me to kick back and relax, enjoy a beverage, edit this video for you guys. Once again, Jason and Jaylena are down in South Texas. They're out at our family ranch right now. I believe they'll be coming back on Friday, so I may be doing a couple of videos here on my cell phone. Excuse my editing, I'm not the best at it, but it is what it is. You just do what you can with what you have, and I'm kind of curious to see what you guys like most about the property or the house. What do you guys want to see more of in our videos? Leave comments down below, let us know. So I have to admit, one of my favorite parts of this whole YouTube experience has been interacting with you guys. It is absolutely insane on waking up every single morning and seeing all of the notifications on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. I know Jason and Jaylena try to knock out a bunch of the comments in the morning, interacting with you guys. I try to do some on my lunch break or after work. It just blows our mind that we have nearly 17,000 subscribers here on YouTube. At the beginning of the year, we were like extremely excited that we hit 5,000 subscribers sometime in January. And here we are 2 months later and we're almost at 17,000. I did run my mouth in one of our videos saying if we don't hit 20,000 subscribers by August 12th, which is Jason and I's birthday, that I will eat a ghost pepper or anything of y'all's choice. So please, please, please tell everyone you know to subscribe to our channel. I want to hit that 20K before August 12th. One thing I wanted to say was just thank you so much for checking us out. It is absolutely insane on how many of you guys actually subscribe to our channel, comment every day, interact with each other. We think it's so cool how some of you guys are actually friends now just from just commenting on YouTube and getting to know each other, following us on our Crocker Homestead family page on Facebook, which if you haven't added us on there, you should. It's pretty awesome. There's a lot of good information on there. If not, you can just check out our regular Facebook page. It's just the Crocker Homestead. We have an Instagram, also the Crocker Homestead, if you couldn't guess. Feel free to add us on there. We love hearing from you guys. We like interacting with you guys. It's one of the best parts of this whole experience. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.